कि अगर हम डिस्कशन भी नहीं करेंगे ना सर, तो थोड़े दिन में ये बुक्स भी टेबल करना खत्म हो जाते सर. So that is why I am very particular कि I have to speak just few sentences also, but I make sure कि I should speak on every subject, sir. That is very important, sir. अब आप देखिए सर, बजट का हमको दिए, पहले वो बुक प्रिंट करके देते थे, अब क्या कर रहे हैं सर, बुक्स भी नहीं दे रहे सर, खाली एक पेन ड्राइव कैसा दे रहे हैं सर. ठीक है, पैसे बचा रहे हैं, अच्छा है, बचाइए, फार्मर्स को दीजिए, कल्याण लक्ष्मी में गोल्ड को दीजिए, सही है. बट यू नो सर, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कि वी हैव टू गो, like you know, there's a famous printing presses there, some Pragati printing press is there. So my team and myself, I go there and I request them, और हम हमारे पैसों से books print करा रहे हैं सर पूरे. So now you know, you see sir, this is, I mean, this is not a really healthy sign that is happening, sir. Sir, I do not have any problem sitting till 12 o'clock, sir. But sir, every human, हर इंसान का एक फोकस टाइम होता सर, कंसंट्रेशन का टाइम होता, और उसकी तवज्जो का टाइम होता है सर. अगर मैं 12 बजे तक बैठता हूं तो क्या फोकस रहेगा, क्या कंसंट्रेशन रहेगा, सुनने वाला क्या सुनेगा सर, देखने वाला क्या देखेगा, और उसके बाद दूसरे दिन पेपर में क्या आएगा सर. अर्लियर सर, वी यूज्ड टू हैव, यू नो सर, 8:30 द असेंबली यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट, and 1.5 hours, 2 hours we used to finish the question hour, half an hour, 0 hour, and then we used to have a short discussion, 3 or 4 discussions, and after that we used to have, you know, again we used to go for, you know, demands and all. 2 baje khatam karte the sir. If required for the government bills, we used to meet again at 4 o'clock. एक 10 बजे तक चलता था, 9 बजे तक. बट आज क्या है सर, सुबह जो शुरू हो जा रहा है सर, चल रहा रात के 12 बजे तक. Sir, what is important is you know sir, the focus, the concentration, the importance. अब ऐसा लंबा चलेगा तो who will have the interest, sir? And now we see, sir, what is it, sir? Only 9 and 4 pages respectively, sir. While the demand spells out the demand for grants for the department, the outcome budget contains just one table, sir, just one table on the revenue performance. That is the year-on-year gross revenue earned by the department. It does not, I am tempted to say that the name of the department, sir, Prohibition and Excise Department. Sir, ये कहाँ जाता है sir? Prohibition and I really don't know, sir. Prohibition है कहाँ sir इसमें? Prohibition कहाँ है sir? So I have always been saying, sir, you know, Mr. Moore, and it should be renamed as Excise Department. Excise Department. I hope the government will take a note on this, sir. Prohibition तो है ही नहीं सर, इतना ज्यादा सेकंड हाईएस्ट रेवेन्यू आता है गवर्नमेंट को इससे. पी रहे पिला रहे हैं सर. और इलेक्शन का टाइम आता है, छोटे इलेक्शंस आते हैं, बड़े इलेक्शन सर, इतना कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाता है, हर कोई पैसे बांटता है और शराब बिकती है, लुटती है और लोग पीते हैं, रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है. तो ये प्रोहिबिशन कहाँ है सर? लेट अस नेम इट एज एन एक्साइज, सर. So there is no locality in any municipal area and no village free from the menace of alcoholism promoted by the liberal and unabashed and consumption of the liquor, sir. Sir, I may point out, मैं बोलना चाहूंगा सर कि कांग्रेस के दौर में कोटला विजयभास्कर रेड्डी साहब जब थे 1993 में सर, the anti-liquor and anti-Iraq movement start हुआ था सर, by a woman, sir, by a woman and a lady, sir. Duba Gunta in Nellore district in United AP, forcing the government to impose ban on Iraq, sir. तो उसके बाद में हुआ ये सर, टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट आई, एनटीआर साहब आए तो उन्होंने टोटल प्रोहिबिशन दे दिए, लेकिन उसके बाद में चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब आए तो फौरन आने के बाद टोटल प्रोहिबिशन को निकाल दिए सर. Sir, the liquor sales are flourishing in both in Telangana and AP after the bifurcation in 2014. Prohibition has become a taboo word, sir, now. Every ruling party seems to have to promote liquor consumption to take in huge revenues without caring for the health of the people and well-being of the society. Even while promoting liquor consumption in a big way, the government earlier used to take up publicity campaigning for prohibition, sir. And even this token commitment for prohibition is totally missing now, sir. Sir, इसमें पहले से I am seeing, sir, my learned senior friend Harish Rao साहब भी है साहब यहाँ पे. Sir, way back in 99, 2000, 2004, sir. Sir, ये इसमें क्या करते थे, sir? They used to have one amount which they used to spend on, having a publicity campaign for prohibition, sir. शराब पीने से क्या होता है, कैसे नुकसान होता है, प्रोहिबिशन करो, शराब नहीं पियो, इससे ये होता, ऐसे होता है, उसके लिए एक अमाउंट होता था, sir. But now when I see, sir, not a single paisa is getting spent on these campaigning, sir. Why are we not doing, sir? We should do it, sir. At least हमारा काम है. Sir, when we take a cigarette packet, in that cigarette packet also it is written, smoking causes cancer, smoking, damages your lung. ऐसे रहता है, sir. तो ये शराब में ये इसके लिए इसकी कैंपेनिंग के लिए जो फंड है, इसको क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है, sir? So the excise department outcome budget points out that there are 2,620 retail liquor outlets, 1,176 bars and 39 in-house licensed clubs, apart from 8,238 toddy compounds in the state. And sir, when I talk about this, sir, I would also like to come on record and say this pub culture, sir, in all metros, and the pub culture also needs to be monitored, sir. Pub culture should also be regulated, sir. New regulation needs to be enforced. And what is happening, sir? These pubs are having a heavy music, and these pubs are the main source for providing also not only just liquor, sir. They are also providing drugs to the youngsters, sir. छोटी टैबलेट दे रहे हैं, पाउडर दे रहे हैं, इससे पूरी जिंदगी खराब हो रही है. Sir, I mean, this pub culture should have new regulations, and some checks should be there. And there has to be some timings for that. And also, sir, a police department needs to have a strong check on this pub, sir, in the metros. Our future generation, हमारी नौजवान नस्ल, हमारे nation का future, the youngsters are getting spoiled, sir. We need to have a new regulations in this, sir, and I would say that we need to have a debate on this subject so that we can bring in some new regulations and try to control this, sir. So, however, it's an open fact that the so-called bell shops are functioning everywhere in the village and municipal areas across the state, sir. Every political parties, they talk about bell shop, closure of bell shops. But, sir, the fact remains is that, sir, कि हर village में, हर जगह पर bell shops है, sir. As an optimist, and I would request the government to work towards achieving the Gandhian goal of total prohibition by phasing out the liquor consumption in the state, sir. Total prohibition should be brought, sir. It is the demand which I want to make. I want to make the demand on behalf of my party, MIM, and also on behalf of every woman of this state, sir, who is suffering because of this liquor, sir. Every woman is suffering. Every mother is suffering. Every sister is suffering. Every daughter is suffering. Every wife is suffering because of this liquor, sir. औरत पे जुल्म होता है तो एक शराब पीकर जुल्म करता है. तो मैं कहूंगा कि शराब पे मुकम्मल पाबंदी आनी चाहिए, sir. So going further ahead, sir, on the next subject, sir, this is tourism, art and culture, sir. Sir, I welcome the new tourism culture 2025 and 2030 announced by the government recently, sir. The policy aims to increase the tourism sector contributing to GSDP to 10%, attracting rupees 15,000 crore investment and generating 3 lakhs job opportunities in the sector for in the next 5 years, sir. The new policy seeks to attract 10 crores domestic tourists and 5 lakh international tourists, making Telangana among the top 5 states in the tourism arrival in the country. So the detailed furnished in the outcome budget shows that during the calendar year 24, 8 crores 82 lakhs 39,675 domestic tourists and 1,55,303 foreign tourists visited the state, sir. Sir, it's a very big number, sir. 8 crores, 82 lakhs, 39,675 domestic tourists, sir. Sir, what are we doing, sir? Sir, I welcome the tourism policy which has been declared by the government. But sir, at the same time, there is so much to be discussed. Sir, tourism policy introduced हुई और उसके बाद में वो pass भी हो गई. But unfortunately, we couldn't have a discussion on that, sir. We couldn't have a discussion. सर मैं आपसे बोलूंगा सर, द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ 9,28,78,329 domestic tourist arrivals were reported in 2018. The highest number of, sir, 3,23,326 foreign tourist arrival was reported in 2018, sir. How many, sir? 3,23,326. Thereafter, sir, both the domestic and foreign tourist arrivals declined during 2020 and 2022 due to COVID, sir. I hope that the new tourism policy will achieve its objective and Telangana will emerge